Now we're ready to begin. And today we have a special fairy tale adventure. It's Jack and the Beanstalk, which is why I'm wearing my Jack hat. On the way to market, Jack and Delilah meet a mysterious, wizardly-looking man. Let's do our wizard pose. Stepping 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. We bend into our front knee, bring our hand on our back leg and sweep our top arm all the way up. Morning, Jack. Might I save you the trip to market and offer you these wonderful magical beans? He does his wizard pose on the other side. Then slowly they begin to grow up, lifting all the way up, rolling all the way, reaching up higher and higher to grow as tall and strong as a beanstalk tree. It goes right up into the clouds. Let's see if we can do our beanstalk tree pose on the other side. Into the kitchen stomps a ginormous giant. Let's do our giant pose. Up to stand, taking our legs nice and wide. We fold all the way forwards to grab our ankles as he comes stomping in. Let's lift 1 foot at a time as we say, stomp, stomp, stompity stomp, 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 stomp. We crisscross our fingers behind our back, stretch our arms back behind us, and after 3, we fold forwards with a chop. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Chop! And all the way back up. The beanstalk begins to lean one way. Taking our feet together, sweeping our arms up above our head, we lean all the way over one way, and then the other way, all the way over the other way. The giant notices it's starting to break, so he quickly scrambles back up it. And wasn't it good that Jack was able to rescue the hen and the harp to give them a better life? And that now he and his mother have enough money to plant seed to grow a good crop, which will supply their whole community. How amazing. We feel pleased that they made it work, and at the same time made the lives of the harp and the hen so much better.